Hey guys, just want to do a quick video here. My name's Luther from Luther's Woodworking. Welcome to my YouTube channel. People that make flags, the flag designers and makers of these great big flags like this here. I make a lot of flags, the 36-inch flags. A lot of times when you go to farmers markets, flea markets, craft shows, displaying them can be sometimes an issue as far as leaning them up against something, hanging them, displaying them. I come up with this way of displaying them. Works pretty slick, I think, and I thought I'd just do a video to show you on displaying them. Now, if you follow me on my Facebook page, this is on my Facebook page. You'll see exactly how it goes. But I have these, let me just move my camera here a little bit. I have these these 2x4s. There's actually 4 holes drilled in here, and I have 8-inch PVC pipe. Well, let me cut this one off of here, and I'm going to show you exactly what I got here because it can go right back on. Let me just cut this one off, and we'll show you exactly what I'm talking about here. What I did was made a bunch of these 2x4 blocks. These are 12 inches long, and I drilled holes that fit this PVC pipe in, 1/2-inch PVC pipe, and I put cap on. When I first made these, I would just have this out loose. These are glued in now, but I would have it out loose, and then I would just slide this noodle. This is a noodle actually from a swimming noodle. I would just slide that on there, and then I would set that PVC pipe in that hole, and I would do that to all 4 of these. After time going to craft shows and stuff, every time you set up or take down, these things would all fall out, you know, and you'd have a mess putting them all back together. So what I ended up doing was gluing these right in, and so that's why some of these are not cut. But now that they're glued in, I can just take this noodle and cut it down with a knife and just pop that on there like that there. And now I have it on there just like these other ones. So what I want to show you here, as far as the display goes, I made a whole bunch of these racks up, and I would set these out on the ground. And then I have my flags. I would just take my flag and set it in here. Now, with these set in here, and you can see, let me move my camera here just a little bit. You can see I can display this flag. These swimming noodles are protecting the flag. There's no damage. You're not going to get no scratches or nothing like this. People can still see them, and I can actually put another flag. Let me just move this. I can actually put another flag behind this one. These racks hold 2 flags, and I can put another flag back here behind this one up here, and it works pretty slick. And then when the show is done, all you got to do is just take these out of these holders like this here. Kind of hard doing it up here on the table. I just pop them out of the holders, and then you have your flag out, and then you have all these holders right here. You can just take these and store them in a bin or in a box and take them back and forth to a show. These are handy if you do a show. If you do a show that's on wet grass, blacktop, gravel, or whatnot, you can use these here. Put your flags in here. You can fit 1 flag in here. In the front, you can fit 1 flag back here. You don't have to have your flag sitting on the grass, gravel, blacktop, wherever. Another thing, sometimes you want to just take a flag and lean it up against something. You don't need to use these. You can just take one of these right here, and I just cut this with a sharp one of these cheap knives right here. Just cut that down, Now you can take, and let me show you here. Let me just get this here so you can see. You can just take these on your flag and mount these to your flag. You could actually take two. I think one will work, but you could actually do two if you want. And mount these to your flag. It's kind of hard to do it at this angle, but there you go. Now you can take this and lean this flag up. Let me just show you right here real quick. You can take this flag, say this is grass or blacktop or gravel or whatnot. You can just take and set your flag on these noodles and lean this up against a table or a tree or something like that. So it works pretty nice. Just cut yourself some pieces of noodle and take them along, and you can display your flags, and these ain't gonna damage your flags. So if you got any questions or comments, leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button for more videos. But this actually is a really handy way to display your flags. Because if you lay them out on the ground, or if you hang them up on a rack or on a wall, they take up a lot of space. This way you can set these holders out. You can put two here, you can put two here, you can put two over here, and you can 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 flags in a short distance. It doesn't take up a lot of space at a show. So hope you liked the video. Like I said, hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and check out my Facebook page at Luther's Woodworking on Facebook. And I'll try to get some more videos out to you. So thanks for watching.